In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skew text in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to tilt or slant your text for a dynamic stylized look without converting it to curves or losing editability. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer and load the document you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new document and make sure you have some text ready to go. Skewing works great on both headlines and short labels, so pick something you want to give a little attitude or motion to. Next, click directly on the text in your canvas to select it. You should see a bounding box appear around the text. If nothing highlights, zoom in slightly and try again to make sure you've actually targeted the text layer. Keeping the text selected is important because you'll be controlling the skew from that selection box. Now switch to the Move tool. You'll find it in the main toolbar. It's the standard arrow icon that lets you transform objects. Once the Move tool is active, you'll notice the bounding box handles and edges become interactive, which is exactly what we need for skewing. Hover your mouse over the edge of the text bounding box. Focus on the side or top edge rather than a corner. Move slowly along the edge until your cursor changes. You're looking for a two-headed arrow indicator that signals you can skew along that axis. This visual cue tells you Affinity Designer is ready to apply a slant instead of a simple scale or rotate. When you see that up and down style arrow, click and drag to skew. Dragging along the top or bottom edge will give you a horizontal slant, tilting the text left or right. Dragging along the left or right edge will create a vertical slant, pushing the text top or bottom forward. Make small, controlled drags at first. A little skew goes a long way, and subtlety often looks more professional. If you overdo it, simply undo and try again with a shorter movement. A few quick tips as you work. Zoom in so you can read the cursor change clearly, and try duplicating your text layer before skewing so you can compare versions side by side. Keep an eye on legibility. Heavier fonts tolerate more skew, while thin fonts can become hard to read if pushed too far. If your text isn't behaving as expected, confirm the Move tool is active and that you're hovering on the edge, not the corner handle. And that's it. Open Affinity Designer, select your text, choose the Move tool, hover on the edge until the skew cursor appears, and drag to apply the tilt. Save your document, and you're done.